Unveiling the world of industrial robotics. Hello and welcome to our journey through the fascinating world of industrial robotics. Today, we're diving deep into what makes these robots the backbone of modern manufacturing and how they're shaping the future of industries. Whether you're new to the topic or just looking to refresh your knowledge, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this exciting exploration together and discover the innovations and technologies that make industrial robotics a cornerstone of the industrial world. At its core, industrial robotics refers to the use of robots in manufacturing processes. These aren't the kind of robots you might find in movies or cartoons. Instead, they are highly sophisticated machines designed to perform a wide range of tasks that are often repetitive, dangerous, or require high precision. From welding and painting to assembly and inspection, industrial robots take on tasks that improve efficiency, safety, and quality in production lines. The journey of industrial robotics began in the 1960s, with the introduction of the first programmable robot, named Unimate. This marked the beginning of a new era in manufacturing. Over the decades, advancements in technology and computing have dramatically transformed these robots. They've become more versatile, intelligent, and capable of handling complex tasks with unprecedented precision. This evolution reflects not just technological progress but also a shift in how we approach manufacturing and labor. Understanding industrial robots means getting familiar with their key components. The manipulator, the arm of the robot, designed to move objects or tools with high precision. The controller, the brain of the operation, which executes programmed instructions. End effectors, tools attached to the manipulator, like grippers or welders, tailored to specific tasks. Sensors and vision systems, these enable robots to perceive their environment, making them more adaptable and intelligent. Each component plays a crucial role in the functionality and flexibility of industrial robots, allowing them to perform a wide range of tasks across different industries. The integration of industrial robotics has had a profound impact on industries. They have increased productivity, reduced errors, and enhanced product quality. While there's a common concern about robots replacing human jobs, the reality is more nuanced. Robots often take over tasks that are hazardous or extremely monotonous, potentially creating safer work environments and new types of jobs that require human oversight and maintenance of these robotic systems. As we wrap up our exploration of industrial robotics, it's clear that these technologies are not just about automating tasks. They're about innovating the way we manufacture, improving safety, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in industries. We hope this video has shed light on the exciting world of industrial robotics and inspired you to learn more about how these advancements are shaping our future. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content soon.